Thanks, Rishabh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a pleasure to be here amongst you today on this Elderly Age Abuse Day. And I would like to thank at the outset to the Age Well Society to give me a chance to be amongst you people, which I always say that this is the best time of the life. We as youngsters, we keep on running the whole life, and we try and settle down at this age to think and realize and introspect ourselves, what we have gained, what we have lost. And it gives me such an immense pleasure to be here. When I was asked, I'm traveling tomorrow abroad for about 10 days, so I postponed my trip because it is indeed a pleasure to be amongst you and share my views and get your views. I am working on deafness for the last 14 years now, and my main field of work is pediatric deafness, that is newborn deafness, children who are born deaf all over the world, in India, of course, and old age deafness, what we call as geriatric deafness, which is the most neglected one and the most burdened one. Everybody is very keen and inquisitive about a newborn who is born, whether he is able to listen or he is able to speak. But it's a sad part that our society doesn't lay much stress on old age deafness. Like in a country like India, where a lot of attention was given to blindness program. All of you must be aware that nowadays I am sure that all of you sitting here knows about cataract surgery. What is kala motia and what is safed motia. But then deafness has always been on a little back foot. But now we are working very strongly at various centers all across India at district levels. And what more could I ask for a forum like this where I can get across to all of you. So I would like a very heartening movie presented by the Age Well Society. I would like to start with a movie which is one of our patients. क्या नाम है आपका?
BKA.
आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताइए, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Problem is that when there is high frequency conversation, I do not have so much problem.
Okay.
When it is low frequency, as when my son talks to me, he has been very low frequency, and so I won't be able to follow him. Actually, what is saying. And another point is that when I am with many people, when maybe with 6 or 7 people, they are all talking, I would be able to actually find out who is talking what. So
you are not able to understand clearly what is people
everyone is talking. Everybody is talking. So I cannot pick up. I cannot understand actually what she is talking out of what the other person is talking.
Since how long you have this hearing problem? कितने सालों से आपको दिक्कत?
Is it that maybe 2 years?
2 years. आप सुनाई की मशीन लगा रहे हैं, ये मशीन लगाने से आपको कितना फायदा हुआ है?
But they have only made it little louder. That's most
louder. आप डिजिटल मशीन यूज कर रहे हैं, मैंने देखा मशीन अच्छी है, बट मुझे लगता है कि आपकी एज के अकॉर्डिंग ये मशीन शायद आपको उतना फायदा नहीं दे रही है. तो हम व्हाट वी प्लान कि हम आपका एक हेयरिंग टेस्ट करेंगे जिसको हम बोलते हैं प्योटोन ऑडियोग्राम, जिसमें वी विल चेक योर हेयरिंग at this stage with this hearing aid on, and we can provide you good quality digital hearing aids. You are using a good company, but I will advise you at your age generally there is physiological hearing loss, यानी कि बुढ़ापे की वजह से या उम्र की वजह से सुनाई की नसें कमजोर हो जाती हैं. उसके लिए हम सुनाई की मशीन सबसे बेहतरीन इलाज है, पर मुझे लगता है कि आपको दोनों कानों में ये यूज करनी चाहिए. आजकल बड़ी एडवांस डिजिटली एडवांस मशीन्स हैं जिसमें जो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे 6-7 लोग बात कर रहे हैं, आप नहीं सुन पा रहे, शोर शराबे में, उसमें ऑटोमेटिक ट्यूनिंग होती है जो डिफरेंट मोड्स में कैचअप कर लेता है. यही डिजिटल मशीन्स की एडवांटेज है जो आजकल हमारे पास यहाँ पे उपलब्ध है पैगस हॉस्पिटल में. इसके अलावा दोनों कानों में लगाने से आपको अच्छी साउंड आएगी, यानी कि बाइनॉरल हियरिंग, यानी कि आपको साउंड लोकलाइजेशन हो जाएगी. अभी आपके राइट साइड से अगर कोई बोलता होगा तो आपको इतना समझ में नहीं आता होगा.
But the important thing that when I am hearing this hearing aid, I do not refer to see it. So when a lot of people are there, and background music is more loud or things like that.
That will get it done. There is no problem.
That is the main problem.
So we will just get your hearing test done and advise you suitable hearing aid. Okay.